Marketing advice for audio engineers. I've had to learn marketing over the years, and I found out that although it's very complex at times, it's very, very simple. Most people that I see, especially a lot of students that are starting out to market themselves as an audio engineer, they build out a site or they build out their brand, and it's all about them. How good they are, who they've worked with, what gear they have, where they went to school, blah, 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 blah. The key to marketing is realizing that nobody cares about you. They don't care about you, they care about themselves. I don't care about you. I care about my music as an artist. I'm coming to you. I want my music to sound amazing. So when I'm on your site, if you're lucky that I find your site, what am I thinking? I'm thinking about my music and myself. So I'm going to judge your site by that. So you want to engineer your website and all your copy, meaning the words that you use, or if you use Facebook ads, the words that you use. You want to engineer all of that to take advantage of my selfishness and understand that I want to hear someone tell me that they can help me achieve my dreams and goals. So for example, I'll have students that have a website, you get to it, and it says, "Welcome to Graham's studio. I've engineered these bands, and when I was a kid, I always wanted to record music, and I've been doing it for blah, 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 blah." That person's like gone. But if they came to my site and it said, "Welcome to Graham's studio. You've written some amazing songs. You've worked hard on bringing them to that next level, and you want to find someone that can take them to that radio-ready spot. Do you feel like they sound good, but they could be better? Do you feel like they don't compete with the songs you hear on the radio? Blah, 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 blah. Let me partner with you to get your tracks to their full potential. Here are some examples of previous clients that have gone from good song to great song, and see what we were able to do for them." Or something like that. It's pretty bad, but the concept is I'm talking about them, I'm talking about you and your music, and realizing that you don't care who I am or where I went to school or what gear I have. You care about the results that you need. You have a problem that you want solved. And so my job is to tell you that I understand your problem, and if I don't, then I probably won't get your business. I understand your problem. You want great recordings or mixes or masters or whatever, and that I identify with your pain, and I want to help you achieve what you want. It's not about me, it's about you. And so here's some ways to do that. Here's maybe some past examples of work as you can see if I'm a good fit for you. Here's some testimonials that talk about their music being achieved, not like, "Oh, Graham was so great to work with." You want testimonials that say, "Oh my gosh, my songs were like this, but then Graham took them to this, and now I'm like getting radio play, or now I'm selling more CDs, or now whatever." You want people to be putting themselves in your past clients' shoes. Again, it's all about them. They're narcissistic. People are always thinking about one thing, and that's themselves. So if you can engineer all your marketing material to be about other people, and if you can take a moment to think about what they want and what their other options are. What are their other options? Do it themselves. That's an option. Spend a lot of money hiring one of the A-list guys. If they have that kind of budget, that's not like the actual options. Paint that picture and then present you as an even better solution because you know what they're going through. That's how you do better with marketing. But too many people think they have to prove that they're good. And so they spend a lot of their marketing efforts showing that they're professional or legit, or work with, they have the Waves Gold bundle or whatever it was back in the day. Like, no one cares about that. They care about themselves. So that the people that are doing well, I see, are the people that understand that element of it. And it doesn't matter what you get into. Marketing is all about understanding people's pain and problems, communicating it to them, and then giving them a solution that's all focused on them. And they'll be happy to find out how you provide that solution. If it's hiring you, great. If it's your consulting, great. If it's your product, great. They just want their problem solved.